Let's make some elf nails. Hey friend, it's Queenie. Welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how I made this adorable elf design set of press-on nails. We all love the movie Elf. It's a timeless classic and watching it has been a tradition in our house for years. So I thought it would be fun to create a set of press-on nails based on the movie. So if you would like to learn how I made this set, stick around and let's get started. Okay, so I've always been a little bit obsessed with Buddy's outfit. So I wanted to do the nails based on his green outfit and his yellow tights. So I grabbed this green from LA Colors. It's called Mint. And then I put 2 coats of that on the nail on all of the nails except for the middle and ring finger. And then I went over that with a green flaky polish from Mooncat called Tyrannosaurus Rex, and it just added that little, oomph to the to the look. And I just love the way that those nails came out. And we're not even in the nail art yet, and I was already happy with how this was coming about. Okay, so serious question. What do you prefer when you watch nail polishing videos? Do you prefer when the video is sped up, or do you get like a satisfaction from watching it in real time? I love it in real time, but I'm kind of curious what you guys think, so leave me a comment. So this stunning yellowy gold color is Bear Trap from What's Up Nails. This is one of my absolute favorite colors from What's Up Nails. And I just thought it would be perfect for Buddy's stockings. And then when I had them all on the rack and I was looking at them with the razzly dazzly of the green, I felt like I just needed to add something to the yellow nails. So I grabbed Solar Unicorn from Holo Taco and threw that over it. And ooh, it was so good. It just zhuzhed it up a little bit. And it was exactly what I was looking for to do. So yeah, really happy with how that looked with that over it. So the middle nail is the one that's going to have the elf hat, the elf boots, and the words Merry Christmas across the middle of the nail. So I started with Merry Christmas, stamp that, and then I'm just going to take my piece of tape and take off all the little bits that don't go with the design. Grab the nail real quick and stamp Merry Christmas right in the middle. Now, because the Merry Christmas is in the middle of the nail, I have to do the hat and the boots separately. So I decided to, here I am, taking off the little extra bits of the design, super, super important. I used the same green that I used on the thumb, index, and pinky fingers to fill in the hat. I just thought that it would pop against the yellow base. And it really did work out well. I did go in over it with an opaque stamping polish just to make it a little bit less see-through, and it came out really nice. And just a note about the plate. This was a custom-made plate that my friend had made, and she had one for herself. And when I saw it, I said, oh, I'd love to get one. And she had one made for me and gave it to me as a gift. So that was so incredible. Obviously, you wouldn't be able to get this, but I did think that it was just the perfect stamping plate for this design. And then next is the stockings and boots. The stockings are yellow from the movie, as we know, so I'm not going to fill those in. I'm just going to let the background fill those in for me automatically. And then I'm doing the boots red, even though Buddy's boots were black. I just thought it would look prettier and also match the accents that are going to be on the ring finger. Then I stamped the elf hat on and the boots, and that is how it looks. And it looks so cute. Moving on to the ring finger, who can forget the iconic Christmas tree scene in Elf? You know we had to do a Christmas tree in this set. So what I did was I went through, I stamped my Christmas tree, and now I'm just adding some red and gold accent balls to the tree, filling those in with reverse stamping. And if you think you missed something, you did. My camera went wonky and filling in the base was all blurry, so I just cut it out. So I used a light brown for the base and a darker brown for the trunk. And then I'm using the same green flaky polish for the tree, Flaky polish can be a little bit difficult to work with. One, it's not opaque, it's quite transparent. And also the flakies can be a little bit difficult to move around. You don't want to mess up your base design. So I just kind of moved it around until I got it to where I wanted it to be. And I'm putting it on a little on the thick side. I still felt like it wasn't quite as opaque that I wanted it to be. So I went back in with a green stamping polish, and I had to make a little gold star on the top of the tree, of course. But that's the green stamping polish that I used. And I just went over that. I actually call this, I have a technique that I use. It's called layered reverse stamping. And I love the technique because it allows you to layer colors to make the colors that actually show on the nail more opaque. If you guys want to see a full tutorial on that, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to do that for you. And then while that's drying, I apply a sticky base coat or any polish that dries tacky. Orly Bonder base coat dries tacky, and that can also be used for reverse stamping. And then I'm just lining this up, checking and double checking to make sure it's nice and straight. And there's how it looks on the nail. And then one of the things that I absolutely love is top coat. I love to top coat. I just think it's like this little extra special little bonus present at the end of doing a set of nails. You get to watch your work come alive. Glitters are more glittery and stamps just pop off the nail and they just look so gorgeous. So that is what I am doing now on all of the green nails. And then I'm using a water-based top coat for my stamped nails. It helps to prevent smudging and smearing, and then later on I will go back over it with a normal top coat. But just look at how it makes a design pop. I just love it so much. Let's take a final look and see how they look on the hand. Oh my gosh, they're so fun. Bright and colorful and sparkly and twinkly. I just love them. Click this video for another sparkling winter nail look and learn more about me and my YouTube channel. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep on rocking those fabulous nails. Bye.